Have you ever had an idea pop into your head out of nowhere? That's your creativity working. You just generated an idea. Today's word is generate. Can you say it with me? Generate. Let's spell it together. Ready? G-E-N-E-R-A-T-E. That spells generate. Generate means to produce or create something. It's how ideas, inventions, and art come to life. Here are some words that mean the same as generate. Say them with me. Produce, like making something from scratch. Create, like turning your imagination into reality. Make, like crafting something new with your own hands. Form, like shaping your thoughts into something solid. Invent, like coming up with something that's never been seen before. Each of these words reminds us that we all have the power to create. Now let's look at the opposites of generate. Destroy, like breaking down what was made. Stop, like halting the process before it starts. End, like finishing without continuing to build. Halt, like pausing creativity instead of letting it flow. Block, like stopping ideas from forming. That's what happens when we stop generating new thoughts and possibilities. Here's a great example. Sofia generated ideas for her story by doodling dragons and castles on her notebook. Let's review. Generate means to produce or create something. Synonyms include produce, create, make, form, and invent. Antonyms include destroy, stop, end, halt, and block. Generation is the power to create. Your ideas bring something new to life. Your challenge: generate 3 new ideas for a story, drawing, or invention today. Keep creating, keep imagining, and keep generating greatness. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sofia.